The Pretty Bettendorf Blizzard T-Shirt is more than just a casual piece of clothing. It's a stylish expression of personality and comfort that stands out in any wardrobe. Inspired by the cool, energetic vibe suggested by its name, this T-shirt captures attention with a clean yet eye-catching design that feels both modern and timeless. Whether you're heading out with friends, relaxing at home, or looking for something versatile to match different outfits, this shirt offers the perfect balance between fashion and practicality. The fit is thoughtfully designed to suit a wide range of body types, giving you confidence while maintaining a relaxed feel throughout the day. Its breathable structure makes it ideal for warm weather, while still layering easily with jackets or hoodies when the temperature drops. Every detail, from the stitching to the print quality, reflects a commitment to durability and style, ensuring that the shirt maintains its shape and vibrant appearance even after multiple washes.